Zell finna slide on the beat, okay? Let a nigga ride with the heat, okay? I got bars for everybody. Feds gon' call that a Rico case. I don't give a damn what your ego say. 2018 had an emo phase. I'ma offset the game like a Migo play, and the nigga go ape like a Migo bait. Rapping, but it's hard to believe it. Acting like you moving bricks. Capping, use a quadriplegic. Nigga, you ain't moving shit. Black and bitch, we slaughtering demons. Thought I wouldn't use a blick. Had to X these niggas out just like a hoe I used to hit. Niggas saying I'm broke because they haven't seen my safe yet. Freshman of the year and he ain't even talked to Ye yet. Am I the only nigga that the radio ain't play yet? But my check still unfolding like a Barbie house playset. Cause I be getting money, so I'm smart to put the rest aside. Niggas snitching on themselves, they need to eat some pesticide. I ain't trying to say what you doing wasn't justified, but how they test your gangster, then you go ahead and testify. Why you trying other niggas thinking you ain't next to die? I be paranoid, shit, I'm sleeping and I'm next to 5. Peyton, AI, Tiger, they gon' put me where the best reside. Come back like I'm Jordan, better